In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Adobe Sign to multiple recipients. There are two efficient ways to handle this, depending on whether you want several people to sign the same agreement in a specific order, or you want to send the same document to many people so each person signs their own copy. I'll walk you through both, step by step, and add helpful context so you know exactly which option to use. First, let's collect multiple signatures on a single agreement using the standard workflow. Start by signing in to Adobe Acrobat Sign. From the home screen, choose Request e-signatures, sometimes labeled Send for Signature. Upload the document you want signed. In the Recipients section, type each signer's email address on its own line, arranged in the order you want them to act, top to bottom. You can also assign roles such as signer, approver, or CC if someone only needs visibility. Next, choose the signing order. Sequential, or complete in order, sends the agreement to the first person, then automatically passes it along to the next, and so on. Parallel, or complete in any order, sends it to everyone at the same time and allows them to sign independently. Click Preview and add fields to place signature blocks and any form fields for each recipient. Adobe Sign color codes these by recipient to help you avoid mix-ups. When everything looks accurate, click Send. Each signer will receive an email, and Adobe Sign routes the agreement through the workflow exactly as you defined, with status updates along the way. Now, if you need each person to sign their own copy, like for HR forms, event waivers, or NDAs, use Send in Bulk, also known as MegaSign. In Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Sign, go to the eSign section and choose Send in Bulk. Upload your file. In the Add Recipients field, paste a list of email addresses separated by commas, or upload a CSV if you have a larger list. This is ideal when you don't need recipients to see each other or interact with the same instance of the document. Adjust options such as deadlines, automated reminders, and any additional authentication you require. Click Preview and add fields to place signature spots one time. Adobe Sign applies those fields to each recipient's individual copy. Then click Send. Every recipient gets a unique email and their own document to sign, and you can track each person's status individually on the Manage page, which makes follow-up simple. That's it. Use the standard mode for one agreement with multiple signers, and send in bulk when everyone needs their own copy.